Good morning. We will continue here with the income and expenditure account. As you can remember, income and expenditure account, it is prepared on the same basis of profit and loss account for a profit making organization. I hope you have revised the thing and you have learned at least the format, and the format I have explained you in the previous class. Can you remember the thing? Receipt side, what we do with the item given on receipt side? Receipt side actually, broadly speaking, you can divide into four main sections: opening balance of cash at bank, cash in hand, revenue receipt, capital receipt, and bank overdraft. So opening balance of cash in bank will be treated, will transfer, or will shown on opening balance sheet asset side. Revenue receipt is income, capital receipt is liabilities, and again bank overdraft is liabilities for the closing balance sheet, closing balance. Now come to the payment side. I'm just trying to give you in your mind, inject you in your mind, that you cannot forget the thing. Then I will start income and expenditure and read out the question and will give you the answer as well. On payment side can also be broadly classified into four sections: bank overdraft, opening balance, revenue nature payment, capital nature payment, and closing balance of cash at bank, cash in hand. So opening balance of bank overdraft is relevant for opening balance sheet. Revenue nature payment will be treated as expenses and it will be shown on expense side. Capital nature payment is either for enhancing, increase, adding the value of fixed assets, or reducing the liabilities like payment to creditors, etc. And again, closing balance of cash will be treated as asset for the closing balance sheet. Now come to the question. You have a question is given here. You can see, prepare income and expenditure account of T20 club for the year ended 31st March 2019 with the given information. Opening balance of cash in hand 20,000. Is it relevant for income expenditure? No. Okay, good. Opening balance of cash at bank? Yes, it is also not relevant. Subscription, regular nature income, no condition is given there. Adjustment. So subscription is income. Donation received. See, information is given there. For construction of shelter, means you can only use the amount of that donation to construct the shelter. So it is actually capital nature receipt. Sale of old newspaper, income. Salary paid 28,000, expense. Rent paid, it is also expense. Printing and stationery, expense. Purchase of books, is it expense? Yes? No. Purchase of books is for asset, and it is book is asset and it will shown on asset side of balance sheet. Same is for furniture. Office expenses, yes, office expenses will be expense. Investment again asset. Then you can find out the closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. So now I'll come to the next slide. Now you can notice that how these items will appear. Here, the income and expenditure account of T20 club. extract will not be used there. Now come to the first expenditure side. Salary 28,000, rent 12,000, pending stationery 1,800, office expenses 3,200. So you can see the subscription receipt 1,50,000 and sale of old newspaper is 500. So altogether income side 1,50,500, and after deducting the expenses, the amount left is 1,05,500. So all the relevant item or income and expense has actually been shown for income expenditure account. You can see here expenditure on your on your left hand side, income on your right hand side. Before moving next, few question I would like to raise. A salary is given 28,000. Why? Because the salary has actually been paid 28,000. Suppose a salary of 2,000 is still outstanding, whether it will be delayed out here or not. Yes, because outstanding salary will added here in salary, and the total expense for salary will be 30,000. In the same manner, subscription is 1,50,000. Suppose subscriptions include 10,000 for the next year, means for 2020, because it is the information of 2019. So the organization has also received subscription in advance. How it will deal out? It is not the income. So subscription will reduce by 10,000. Okay. Now see the box information in the box. Opening balance of cash in hand, opening balance of cash at bank, donation received is specific. Donation received, why donation has not entered in income expenditure account? Because donation has received for a specific reason, for making of shelter, so it is not income. Purchase of books, purchase of furniture, investment, and closing balance of cash in hand and at bank has not been taken into account. So I think you have understood it pretty well. Try to solve the question, and that is based on receipt and payment account, and you have been asked to prepare income and expenditure account with not much more adjustment. Okay, later next day we will start income and expenditure with adjustment, and adjustment, you can say the additional information has the same nature of solving, so it is not a new concept, only you have to replace few words, otherwise the entire thing is same as of 11th. So till then, goodbye, take care.